It was once said, if you want to change the world, start by making your bed. And I completely agree. That's why today on day 15 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge, we'll be doing just that. Making our bed just causes our day to start on the right foot and super duper productive because we've done one thing that we can look at and see that we've accomplished. It then rolls on to the rest of our day. So I think the FlyLady was spot on with this one. Let's make our beds every single morning from today moving forward. Making our bed changes the whole tone of our day, and it changes the whole look of our rooms, even if we do nothing else. So be sure to add this to your habit trackers, and let's make sure we're doing it every day, preferably one of the first things that we do. So far, we have been shining our sinks, dressing tissues, doing a 2-minute hot spot, a 5-minute room rescue. We've also been doing a 15-minute declutter on our zones, our cleaning missions. We've been also decluttering 15 minutes of emails every single day. We've been resting for 15 minutes. We've been picking out our clothes, and we've started checking our calendars. So be sure to add Make Your Bed on your habit tracker and get your freebies down below, and I'll see you on Monday for day 16 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.